Hello friends, in this video we will see the basic concepts of blood relations. So here the basic concept means the basic relationships between the human beings. Okay, so you have to remember all of these blood relationships to solve the questions related to blood relation topic. Okay, so we will see the basic relationships, and the first one is mother's or father's son. Mother's or father's son is called as brother. So our father or mother's son is called as a brother in relation. Okay. And next one is mother's or father's daughter. Daughter is called as sister. Is called as sister. And next one is mother's or father's brother is called as uncle. Is called as uncle. Mother's or father's brother is called as uncle. Mother's or father's sister. Mother's or father's sister is called as aunt. Okay, called as aunt. And mother's or father's father. Mother's or father's father is called as grandfather. Grandfather. Okay. In the same manner, mother's or father's mother. Mother's or father's mother is called as grandmother. Called as grandmother. And next one is son's wife. Son's wife is called as daughter-in-law. Son's wife is called as daughter-in-law. For example, if you have a son and he has a wife, then she is called as daughter-in-law. Okay. And next, daughter's husband. Daughter's husband is called as son-in-law. Is called as son-in-law. So daughter's husband is called as son-in-law. And next one, husband or wife's sister. Husband or wife's sister is called as sister-in-law. Is called as sister-in-law. Okay, husband's or wife's sister is called sister-in-law. In the same manner, husband's or wife's brother. Husband or wife's brother is called as brother-in-law. Is called as brother-in-law. And next one is brother's son. Next one, brother's son. So brother's son is called as nephew. Brother's son is called as nephew. Okay, and brother's daughter. Okay, brother's daughter is called as niece. Brother's daughter is called as niece. Okay, and some other basic relationships are like uncle or aunt's son. Aunt's son or daughter is called as cousin. Is called as cousin. Uncle or aunt's son. Uncle or aunt's son or daughter is called as cousin. Uncle's or aunt's son or daughter is called as cousin. Okay, and sister's husband. Sister's husband is called as brother-in-law. Sister's husband is called as brother-in-law. And brother's wife is called as sister-in-law. Brother's wife is called as sister-in-law. Okay, and grandsons or granddaughters grandson or granddaughter's daughter is called as great granddaughter. Great granddaughter. So these are all actually the basic relationships between the human beings. So you have to remember all these basic relationships. Okay. So what are them? So mother's or father's son is called as brother. Mother's or father's daughter is called sister. Mother's or father's brother is called uncle. Mother's or father's sister is called aunt. Mother's or father's father is called as grandfather. Mother's or father's mother is called as grandmother. Okay, and son's wife is called as daughter-in-law, and daughter's husband is called as son-in-law. Husband's wife or sister, husband's or wife's sister is called as sister-in-law. Okay, husband's or wife's brother is called as brother-in-law. Okay, and brother's son is called nephew. Okay, and brother's daughter is called as niece. So after that we have seen some other relationships, and they are uncle or aunt. Uncle or aunt's son is called as son or daughter is called as cousin. Sister's husband is called as brother-in-law, and brother's wife is called sister-in-law. Grandson's or granddaughter's daughter is called as great-granddaughter. Okay, great-granddaughter. So these are some of the basic relationships you have to keep in mind to solve the questions related to blood relationships. Okay, so in the next video we will see some problems based on these relationships. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel.